Hey guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, tamingthetrunk.com at tamingthetrunk.com. Loads of Evernote content there. Welcome to this week's midweek video, little short one on Evernote Edit Mode. This was released last week, I think. So today's 4th of August. So end of July this came out. So make sure you're using the latest version of the app. So what does it do? So it's basically a new little feature in the AI assistant. At the bottom we got edit mode, we got ask mode. Ask mode is kind of like, I don't know, asking questions about your notes. It's not going to change anything. It's doing a little bit of research. It's finding stuff out, that kind of thing, right? Edit mode can change the content of your notes. You can still undo it. So like Control Z, Command Z will still work. And it also saves stuff in the version notes as well. So let's get on with it. Show you what this thing actually does. So it's actually quite useful. Lots of different use cases. I think different people will have different use cases. What I'm going to do here to start off with is select this bit of text, and I'm going to use the voice input to save my dodgy typing. You won't have to watch that. So here we go. Turn the selected text into a warning call-out. Okay. Turn the selected text into a warning call-out. Now, when you hit this, because I'm in edit mode, what it's going to do is hopefully turn this into a call-out, right? Show me what it's going to look like. It'll also show me, here we go, the existing text there at the top. There's the new call out there with the little warning symbol, and I can accept or reject the edit. Accept it, we got a call out. Text is being turned into that. Very cool. I like that. Command Control Z undoes it. Okay, so undo still works exactly the same. Okay, let's try another one. I'm going to select this text here. I'm going to hit the microphone. Turn the selected text into a bullet list in alphabetical order. Okay, so let's fire that one off. Again, it's not just going to like change it. It kind of like does the edit, and then lets you see what you had before and what you have now, and you can accept it. And we get some bullet lists. Very cool. Let's try another one. Now, this is kind of like a real life one that I've been fiddling around with myself. I have to produce a register. I do run training sessions as kind of like my main job. And at the end of each session, there's a couple of the agencies I work for. I have to produce a register, which is usually just basically a table in Evernote, which is name, email address, company. I can have like 12, 14 different names and email addresses typed out here. So what I tend to do is I tend to get folks to write their names and their email addresses and stuff on a piece of paper. Okay, I'll then photograph it in Evernote, transcribe it. I'll double check to make sure everything's correct. And then what you would usually do is kind of like basically copy pasta all this into the freaking table. I mean, sometimes I'm not even photographing. I'm just having to write, transcribe myself from the photograph, from the note, whatever it is. So pain in the ass. So let's try this out. Okay, this is cool. Tried this the other day and it worked a treat and saved me loads of time. So what I'm going to do, take a look at the selected text. It's names, email addresses, and companies. Put these into the table in the note, making sure that you put them in the correct columns. Okay. So we hit go. And what I want is all these in the right columns in my table, because that's a pain in the arse to do at the end of every single training session that I run, and I want it sped up a little bit. So it generates the thing here. Wow, that's cool. Okay, looks good. Clive got Tom, bev.com, JKL, accept it. Oh, Job done. Fantastic, isn't it? Yeah, I mean, just that alone saves me a ton of time. Okay, so final little example I want to show you is I keep my music collection in Evernote. Basically, all the LPs that I collect, I have a list of them in my Evernote, so I kind of know what I've got. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to hit the web search button. So we've got web search and we've got edit. Now, before I would use the Evernote assistant to find production notes and also chart placements and things like that. And I'd end up having to copy paste the information into the note, or you'd have to insert a cursor or hit the button, kind of add to note or something like this. This is a little bit better. So let's have a go. Find some production notes for the LP in the note together with chart positions, summarize this information and add it to the bottom of the note. Okay, so let's fire that one off. The nice cool thing about this is that you're actually just asking in natural language what you want it to do. So it's going to go searching the interwebs. It's going to find the information, hopefully summarize it, put it into a little bit. There we go. So production notes, correct chart positions. I can accept each individual line it's changed, or I can accept the lot. There we go. Summarize thing. Fabulous. So this is edit mode in Evernote. I think this is going to be a little bit of a game changer. You're going to be able to reformat kind of entire notes, little tiny sections of notes. You're going to be able to bring information into the web at the same time as formatting things. It's endless, really, what you can do with this, if I'm honest with you. The edit mode for the register, has just saved me so much freaking time. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe. Tamingthetrunk.com, tamingthetrunk.com. Loads of Evernote content there. See you next week.